Hello everybody, how you all doing? Thank you so much. Before I start doing this my coffee thing like a cappuccino, Dalgona, is it Dalgona called? So I got my instant coffee here. I got my white sugar here. I got my ice cubes here. I got my milk here. This is my milk I'm gonna use. I prefer coconut milk. I'm not advertising for this company, I'm just showing you. You can use any milk. You can use any instant coffee of your choice. This is my water here. So right now, this is what I'm doing here. Let me put on this light. Except to put this on. So right now, I'll first of all say thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for all my supporters, those who have been following me, telling me what to do. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. So now, I'm gonna tip in, the coffee, the instant coffee, because I tried to experiment it with the other type of coffee. It's not working. So I'm gonna tip in my sugar, my white sugar. Then I'm gonna tip in my water in there, yeah. So I'm gonna whisk it. You can use the normal whisking, but to be quicker for me, I'm gonna use this one. Let's see how it goes. Whisking now. I'm gonna put in some more coffee. I'm gonna whisk it. It's gonna come out fluffy and creamy. Okay, mess everywhere. Yeah, it's coming out now. Look, can you see it? Look how creamy it is. So I'm gonna whisk it more. Let me whisk it more. It will come out very foamy. Keep watching. Everything is just like you experiment, Everything is try your luck. So I'm doing it now. You can use the thing you use to beat your egg, whisker. You can use whisker. If you don't have this hand mixer. Look how fluffy it is. Guys, I got it. I got it. I got it, guys. Ooh. Everywhere is very messy. Guys, I got it. Now let me wipe my hands. Let me clean my hands. Can you see me? So now, look at it. This is what we got now. Look. Look how fluffy it is. Look. You know, you can do this for your whole family. You know, sit down in the evening and watch TV. So now, this is the cups I'm going to use. Let me wipe the little stain that this coffee has given this cup. You can use any cup. You can use any cup of your choice, okay? You don't have to be exactly mine. So now, I'm going to tip in my ice cubes. Yeah? My ice cubes in there. Oh, this is lovely when it is very hot. Very, very. Here it's not that hot, hot, hot. You see my 2 ice cubes in there in the cup? Yeah? So, as I put in ice cube, then you can use any milk. Yeah? So I'm gonna tip in my milk. Ooh. Tip in my milk in there. Look. Yeah, my coconut milk in there. Tip in this one as well. Good. So now the maker here with the eyes, yeah. So I'm gonna start tipping in this one I made. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look. I think that's yummy. Look. Look. Oh, this is lovely, man. I should have done it a lot though. It's like I did it for only 1 cup. This one is not enough. This one is not enough for the cup. Look. Look. Guys, look. Look how yummy that is. Look. Oh, this is heaven. Look. Look. Can you see it? Look. That is my Dalgona coffee, creamy coffee. Look, cheers, guys. Oh, this is yummy, yummy, yummy. This is yummy, yummy, yummy. Look. Heaven. Look. Cheers, guys. Enjoy your day and keep subscribing. Leave your comment below. Yeah? And thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe, share me out, and thumbs up. Leave your comment below and poke the red button. Hit it. Hit that red button very hard, okay? Thank you so much, guys. And cheers and bye.